everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we will going to be seeing how you can change your Stripe account password. So without any delays, let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is open any type of browser. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. After opening your browser, go to the search bar and type stripe.com. Then press enter. This will now lead you to the official website of Stripe. Now what you have to do is sign in to your account. So just go into the sign in right here in the right corner, which will now lead you to sign in your account. As you can see, now I have been signed into my account. All you have to do is click on settings right here in the right corner, then select the second option, profile. Click into it. Here you can see your email, your name, and your password. To change the password, click on Edit, which is on the right side, right here. Click on it. Then you can see you can edit your email, your name, and change your password. Now to change your password, just click on it. Now Stripe will ask you for the verification. So all you gotta click is Send Verification. Now your verification is sent to your email. Simply just open email on a new tab or simply just click on open email right here. This will now lead you to your email account. And here you can see Stripe has sent me my verification. Simply just click on it and click on verify email. Now your verification link is sent to your email. Again, go to your email and on your inbox, you can see Stripe has sent you a verification link. Click on it and then click on verify identity. Now Stripe has officially verified your identity. Now let's go back. After going back to the Stripe's website, you can now change your password. Here, type your old password. And here, type your new password that you want to create. Now simply just press on change password. And that is it. Now your password has been changed. This is how you can change your Stripe account password. Very simple, right? If you like videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next.